Hello, my name is Igor. I'm a creator of Your Working Points. Your Working Points is CRM for medium-sized and small-sized repair shops. It covered tickets flow, warehouse, clients, workers management. It's very easy to use and completely free now. So for demonstration, I have created company with 2 service centers. You can add more than 2 service centers for your company. It could be infinity count. Just for example, let's imagine that we have repair phones service centers, and let's create a first task. So it will be Lilu service center, for example, device name. Device name is not serial number. For example, just for example, client ask for repair mobile phone. Mobile phone doesn't work, and we will create task for this. iPhone 12. Description. Deposit. Deposit is count of money for testing device, I think, or you can use for something else. For example, $20. Client phone, client email, client name. You can add new client by these 3 fields, or you can choose existing client by phone number. It's a fake phone numbers. For example, I will choose this client. This client already exists. So create ticket, and now we're on the page for editing this ticket, and we can see some information what we already proceed. This ticket, let's talk about tickets. It's like classical Kanban board, like a Trello, but with special fields, special possibilities for service centers. So you can choose your service center where is device located. For example, Lilu, it will be Lilu service center. Status, inbox, in progress as client, etc. For example, it will be in progress. Priority, low, high, medium, and assign this task for developer or for manager. You can add worker, for example, for repair devices. You can add manager or something else. So I will assign this task for Igor Storozhuk. You can add repair parts from warehouse. For example, your engineer have tested device and find what is not working. For example, we have a problem with battery for iPhone 12. You can add battery for repair parts from warehouse. For example, we have 3 batteries for iPhone 12. Let's choose it. Count, for example, we need 1 battery for our phone. Make a note, add a note. and final payment. Also, we can, for example, if we have some questions for a client, for example, we have two types of battery, and your engineer could change status to ask a client, write special note for your manager who can call to the client, and update this ticket. So, and if we go to all tickets page, or all tickets page sorted by service center, you can find all tasks with ask a client status. It's very important. So your manager should see all tasks with this status, and he can call to the client and ask about what we should do with device, ask us some questions, then write a note, or discuss about it with engineer, and change status for in progress, or I don't know, or cancelled or hold. So I think it's not complicated, and you understand it. What we can do additional, we can print a repair order for the client. For example, when client asks you about repair something, you can print a special repair order for this client with information about your company, about device, with all information what client need for it. And you can print sticker for example, for this iPhone 12, and you can put the sticker to iPhone, and by a QR code, engineer or manager can very easy find task in the Kanban board. You can add inventory item. So product name, choose point, choose category, choose supplier, serial number, etc. You can very easy add warehouse item. For example, now I have this battery repair part, and total quantity. I have 3 items, and 1 item I used for this task. For example, iPhone 12 can follow this task. I can add client. I can add a worker. Now I can't client worker because I choose account of employee, but if you choose account of owner, you can add worker, or change status of worker, active, not active. You can change company settings, etc. So it was quick description of your working points. If you have any questions, you can write me email, and I will answer you as soon as possible. So see you. Bye.